The Larson Electronics automatic capacitor bank is an automatically switched wall-mounted power factor correction capable device designed for low-voltage applications and installations requiring precise maintenance of target power factor in a very small footprint. This unit includes clear fuse indicator lights and a manual on-off switch easily accessible on the front cover. The built-in controller controls banks of contactor-connected capacitors. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.